There we go. I got another fly fishing pro tip for you. Now you notice I'm fishing this really big bucket, right? This big deep hole. Goes from shallow and drops straight off. When I was casting my nymph setup out into the deep water, I wasn't getting anything. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna cast it probably 6 feet up into the shallow water. Sometimes you might snag up before it falls off that edge. But what I was trying to do is trying to get my setup right at the bottom so that it would get pulled down over the ledge. Because when I was casting it beyond the ledge, it just wasn't sinking fast enough to catch where the fish were hanging out, right in the front of that ledge. So by casting it up in the shallow water and letting it drift and fall over the edge, that is what finally got me that fish. The worm. I put on the turd and the worm. Nice fish. Very nice. All right, if you want other pro tips and techniques to catch fish in rivers, check out this playlist right here. I put together about 5 lessons that'll help you catch more fish the next time you're out in your favorite stream. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.